composition of a cell. A cell is made up of water, which is the principal fluid medium of the cell. It is making 70% of total cell weight. Water is present in most cells except fat cells. A cell also contains inorganic ions such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and chloride ions. The concentration of sodium ions is high outside the cell and this concentration is low inside of cell. Aside from water and inorganic ions, a cell is composed mostly of macromolecules. By far the largest portion of macromolecules are the proteins. A cell also contains lipids, carbohydrates, miscellaneous small metabolites, DNA and RNA. So